So in the next couple of slides, we're going to look at examples of where you might want a mix of simple point-to-point AV switching combined with the flexibility of AV over IP, what I call the hybrid approach, and how BlueRiver future-proofs hybrid installations to be upgradable in the future to all AV over IP. So in this example, I'm showing AV over IP being used for the AV signal distribution core on the left, along with a basic huddle room where only simple point-to-point HDMI extension is required. And again, I'm only showing a snippet of an entire system here. It's not meant to represent the entire AV network, for example. But notice, however, that both local and remote AV sources are available to the huddle room by utilizing an SDVoE wall plate transceiver, simultaneous HDMI in and HDMI out, enabled by one BlueRiver device. And then if you take a look within the huddle room, I'm showing a simple 2x2 matrix switch with extension ports, and that's used to switch local and remote sources to that projector. This time, notice that the projector is an SDVoE projector, which is connected point to point using the 10 gigabit interface to the BlueRiver-based matrix switch. And I'm going to show how BlueRiver is an ideal technology for old school matrix switching in a couple of slides. The key here, however, is that all AV endpoints and devices, that's receivers, transmitters, displays, support SDVoE. Since an SDVoE wall plate transceiver was used in this example, we can now take advantage of the HDMI input to allow the local source to be connected into the SDVoE network, and the SDVoE projector is simply connected directly to the Ethernet switch, as I've shown here. Again, both local and remote AV sources are still available in the huddle room with the flexibility of AV switching using software control. And we've reduced the number of peripherals required in the room, no more 2x2 switch, less equipment to maintain, better environmental footprint. So with all devices being SDVoE enabled, you can choose how you want to architect your AV install based on specific end user requirements, whether it's simple, local HDMI extension, or much more flexible and software configurable AV over IP. Please follow this link to learn more about Semtech's BlueRiver products for hybrid AV.